Today, I want to encourage and help you to start your YouTube channel, podcast, shorts, or whatever. Contrary to popular belief, it is not as daunting as it may seem, especially given the tools online available to help you get started. In subsequent episodes, I will divulge the tools I personally use, including artificial intelligence, which has proven to be incredibly useful. Be sure to subscribe to keep up to date. The importance of Google and YouTube information. Google and YouTube are two of the most powerful platforms on the internet. They are the go-to sources of information for millions of people around the world. In fact, Google processes over 3.5 billion searches per day, and YouTube has over 2 billion monthly active users. This shows just how massive these platforms are and how important it is for businesses to leverage their power to reach their target audience. Starting a YouTube channel can be a powerful way to reach your target audience. It allows you to showcase your brand, products, or services through video content. Video is an engaging medium that can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. YouTube also provides the opportunity to make money through the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows creators to monetize their content through ads, sponsorships, and other revenue streams, and with the recent addition of monetization for YouTube Shorts, the potential for profit has increased significantly. This money will come itself when you focuses on the following. Standing for something beyond just the product, express your values. Consumers are expecting brands to stand for something beyond just the product. They want to support companies that align with their values and beliefs. This is where having a YouTube channel can be beneficial. It allows you to express your values and show your audience what your brand stands for. Through your content, you can showcase your company's culture, values, and mission. This can help you build a deeper connection with your audience and establish trust. When consumers see that your company is committed to making a positive impact, they are more likely to support your brand. Give people help about their problems, answer to their questions, give them self-education and lifelong learning. One of the most significant benefits of having a YouTube channel is the ability to provide value to your audience. You can create content that helps people solve their problems, answer their questions, and provide them with self-education and lifelong learning opportunities. Creating educational content on YouTube can help you establish yourself as an authority in your industry. When people see that you are knowledgeable and passionate about your subject matter, they are more likely to trust your brand and become loyal customers. Jim Rohn quote says, "Formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune." College and university can't keep up with YouTube content with online courses. Except like 10 professions that you should go to university or college for, the internet has revolutionized the way we learn. With the rise of online courses and educational content on YouTube, college and universities are no longer the only option for learning. YouTube provides a wealth of educational content that is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. The content on YouTube is diverse and covers a broad range of topics. From science and technology to cooking and music, it is also a platform for entertainment and creativity. There are countless channels dedicated to gaming, comedy, and other forms of entertainment. YouTube has given rise to a new generation of creators who are redefining the entertainment industry. With YouTube, anyone can become a content creator and share their ideas, stories, and talents with the world. There is something for everyone. The best part is that most of the content is free. This means that anyone can access high-quality educational materials without the financial burden of enrolling in expensive courses. YouTube has become a platform for self-education and lifelong learning, providing an opportunity for people to gain knowledge and skills that can help them succeed in their personal and professional lives. Starting a successful YouTube channel. It takes a lot of creativity to produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience. You need to be authentic and genuine, and you need to have a unique perspective that sets you apart from the competition. I will do my best to help you and myself about that. Plus, there is a lot of rich content on YouTube about this topic. Succeeding without losing your soul. As you build your YouTube channel, it's important to stay true to yourself and your values. You should focus on creating content that helps people, answers their questions, and provides value. You should also take care of your mental and physical health, and avoid burnout and stress. With the right mindset and approach, you can succeed on YouTube and make a positive impact on the world, without losing your soul or compromising your lifestyle. If you don't jump on this trend, I think you're going to be in trouble in terms of trade and also in character and lifestyle for you and for people. In the end, I want to encourage you to be more vocal about your values, but also to really stand for something, and you will succeed without losing your soul. On our channel, we will start a series of educational episodes talking about different subjects but which meet people's needs. But in the meantime, you could watch the previous episodes. So subscribe and press the notification bell to receive the episodes. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.